Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Impulse. So in this video we will be discussing about WWE. So on Friday it closed by going up 17% in a single day. Okay, so we will be discussing where the price of WWE is heading and what we can do as investors. Okay, first of all let me take you to the news article. Here it is. Okay, you can read the headline: WWE stocks closes up 17% in wake of Vince McMahon joining board of directors. Okay, so because of this news, the price suddenly jumped up by 17% in a single day with very high volumes. Okay, so let's get into the chart of WWE. Here it is. Okay, you can search it like this: WWE, and this is the one, NYSE, World Wrestling Entertainment. Okay, so currently I have opened the monthly chart. Let me first show you the price reaction in daily time frame. Okay, this is the one. Okay, you can see on 5th January it closed around 72. Okay, and then suddenly on 6th January it opened directly at 80. Okay, then it went up to a high of almost 89.5, but closed around 84. Okay, so finally it was 16.98%, which is almost 17% jump in a single day. Okay, so let's get into the big picture. Okay, I am switching to the monthly time frame. Okay, as you can see, WWE is currently approaching to its all-time high, which is this one, which I have already marked, that is 98.23. Okay, so currently it is at this place 84. So I can clearly see that we can draw a trend line joining some of the low points. Okay, okay, so here it is. This is a trend line, and now let me draw another trend line joining the high. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit and show you which points I have selected. Okay, so this is one touch here. Okay, one second, let me just take a smaller brush. Okay, yeah, these are the 2 points that I have used to draw the trend line, and as you can see this clearly, this high touched directly in the trend line which I have drawn here. Okay, now let's do the same with this trend line. This will be adjusted a little bit, it is little bit out of the line. Okay, yeah, so you can see there are 4 direct touches. Okay, 2 right here, and we can say 3 here. Okay, so WWE is currently moving in within this channel in monthly time frame. Okay, within this range it is moving up and down. So you can see this is the price reaction of this month January, and it has not yet closed. So what I expect it to do is it can go higher up to its all-time high within this month also. Okay, so let's zoom in to weekly time frame to confirm if it is going to happen, or it might take a U-turn and come back. Okay, so you can see that it did rise to a high of 89, but it closed at 84, which shows little bit of weakness. Okay, and we will be able to confirm if it will go up or down in the next week only. It might show a price action like this, like Monday it can start going down, or maybe it can go up even high, open with another green candle, but close a little bit lower than that. Anything can happen. We have to wait and see what is going to happen next. So at this current price level, so the big question is, will it break the all-time high and go up? Okay, to make this clear, I want to show you one similar pattern which I observed a few months back in crude oil. Okay, let me take you there. Let me first zoom to monthly time frame on this one so that you can get to know. Okay, just try to observe this pattern, this entire pattern. Okay, sorry, this whole pattern. Okay, I'm taking you to the other screen. Okay. Yes, so this is the one. Crude oil. Okay, you can see a similar price action here. It was going up all of a sudden, then it came down, and then it went in a channel pattern. Let me draw the channel here also. Okay, you can see that this price was also moving in a similar manner, and you can see what happened when it reached this level. Okay, it immediately started dropping. Okay, but if you compare directly, you will think that WWE will also behave in the similar manner, like it will go up like this and then again it will come down. But here there is a big difference in both of them. First, you have to see where the price is coming from. Okay, if you see here, WWE is coming from a place lower than its current price. Okay, it is going like this. It is coming from this point and then coming here. Okay, you can clearly see that. Now let's go to crude oil and see what is the early point of crude oil. You can see it is coming from a higher point. Okay, the price was higher than the present price, and then it showed this pattern. That's why it went down. Okay, like this. So this this will create a difference. Here in case of WWE, it might break this pattern and go up because it is coming from a price which was lower than the present price. But in case of crude oil, it was coming from a higher price, so which clearly showed that the price was weak, and that's why it went down. So we cannot directly compare, although the pattern is nearly similar. So as investors, what you can do is you can wait for few more weeks to see what price action is forming here. Okay, it might go little bit high up to this level, then start showing sideways, and then it might suddenly break this all-time high and go up, or else it can show some sideways action and then directly drop. Okay, and if it start dropping, it will go down a lot, because we all know that nasdaq is also in a weak position. Okay, there is no strength in the market, so the chances of dropping are high, but let's say it is 50-50. We cannot predict anything. We have to wait and watch, and only come to any conclusion after seeing confirmation in price action. Okay, so so that is all about WWE. I hope this was helpful, and I will meet you in the next video, and I will also post an updated video on this one for people who are willing to invest in WWE. Okay, both in India and outside India. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such video. I'll meet you in the next one.